अगर दिल में होती अक्से झलक, अगर होती दिल में अक्से झलक, तो हम आईने को भी अपनी तरह रुला देते। जसीर बदामी, पार मुस्तफा, एहसन खान, शाइस्ता लोधी।
To be called the Mirza Malik Show. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about Shoaib Malik and Sania Mirza. Can we have a huge round of applause for our power couple? And why so? ये सारा शो इसी के लिए बना है, so that it gives a message of peace. As one is from India and one is from Pakistan. A most beautiful blend. Welcome Sania, welcome Shoaib. Welcome. Don't we just love this power couple? Can we have another huge round of applause?
Good afternoon everyone. Assalamu alaikum. मेरे बहुत हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस है because this is something what I love about. और during COVID, I've done some shows on social media platform and one of the platform, and I really enjoyed it. Even though I interviewed all my friends, but it was fun. और दूसरा ये है कि as she said, नई चीज़ें करनी चाहिए, और but ये है कि full focus रह के करनी चाहिए. So I'm really looking forward for the show. To host alongside Sania, this is something which is going to be very new for us, doing something together. We have done a lot of endorsements together, but first where you are asking questions to the guests, so it's going to be a great fun.
Yes, great fun being.
I am, क्योंकि मैं इलामा इकबाल साहब के शहर में हूँ.
कभी आपने कह दिया तो अभी आपको एक शेर तो मतलब थोड़ा और okay, maybe they both give you one interested. He is interested. I'm not. Sorry.
अच्छा, एक आता है, समझना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है.
अगर दिल में होती अक्से झलक, अगर होती दिल में अक्से झलक, तो हम आईने को भी अपनी तरह रुला देते.
ये तो मुझे भी नहीं सुनाया था.
मैं वेट कर रहा था कि ऐसा मोमेंट आएगा तो सुना है.
So we are honored कि आपने ये मोमेंट चुना for our fast travel. Thank you so much.
I think केमिस्ट्री मेरे नज़दीक जो है वो ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ है. There are a lot of people they want to see जो दुनिया में बहुत सारा कुछ चल रहा है, so they want to have smile on their faces. तो वो I think controversy से नहीं आती है, वो सिर्फ 5 मिनट का मसाला होता है. बट इन माई ओपिनियन ये है कि फन एलिमेंट शुड कम आउट, जो कि इंटरव्यू कर रहे हो, जो गेस्ट भी हों. सो आई गेस देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स जो गेस्ट जो हैं वो लोग नहीं जानते हैं. तो होस्ट ये चीज़ होनी चाहिए कि टेक आउट दैट एंड सेंड दैट मैसेज टू द ऑडियंस. दे शुड नो उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ में क्या चीज़ें हैं, कैसे वो सोचते हैं, अगर उनको ऑफ टाइम चाहिए हो तो वो क्या चीज़ें करते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर ऑन देयर टूल्स मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. तो ये ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, ऑफ कोर्स अलोंग साइड गेम, तो वो एक फन एलिमेंट जो है वो आ जाता है.
Absolutely, that's a very important.
Well, we just did a show for Pakistan. I can say we just did a show with Elsa, and he was very good. Yeah, Elsa Khan. Yeah, and he was very good. I've not been on too many Pakistani shows, only a couple here and there. He was very good. It was a lot of fun. We were there for almost 2-3 hours. लेकिन पता ही नहीं चला because we were having a lot of fun conversation, and I think that's what we like in a show. Where you just kind of the flow just goes. It's not really planned and stuff. So I think that chemistry, and they knew each other from before. And from India, I think that Ritesh and Sajid had done a show a while back, and I think they, for me, were very funny. I had been on that show as well, and they were probably one of the better hosts. I have hosted one show separately, and obviously Shah Rukh Khan was there, so I'm going to say he was probably the best.
I'm not going to take Pakistani names. What if I miss one?
Yeah.
Then I'm friends with everybody who brought problems from there.
Please say
Let me
in
take
Indian.
names from India. So Kapil Sharma, I was invited in 2015, but she was busy playing somewhere else. तो वो हुआ नहीं कभी. But I love this show. I love Ritesh and Sajid's show. I've seen Farah Khan's show. I love all of them. Or of course.
Say Farah because she kills me. I just love
Farah watching this particular moment.
I'll message her and I'll tell her she hasn't taken your name.
Say one name.
मैंने बहुत सारे शोज में गया हूँ बट वो बहुत लंबा काम है. Three names, I would say Waseem Madani, Fahad Mustafa, Ahsan Khan, Shaista Lodi, मारिया वास्ती और तीन का नाम. देखिए आपको नेचुरल रहना चाहिए. जो आपके दिल में हो इट शुड कम आउट.
He's just playing very safe.
नहीं मैं नाराज नहीं कर रहा. मुझे उनके शोज अच्छे लगते हैं और मज़ा आता है.
I want to come out laughing and I want to come out happy because those 2-3 hours. So this also, I feel
There is a biopic coming up. So you tell us who.
I'm not ready yet, so that's why it's on hold. I'm still playing cricket, so that's why it's on hold.
So if you were to make that biopic, who would be playing you and who would be playing
but then
Farah?
yeah, like last time, not last time, but every time I'm asked this question, मुझसे ना गलती से 2-3 नाम निकल गए थे. अब वो 2-3 नाम जाके उन्होंने ये कह दिया था कि Sania has said that this person will play this, so I don't want to get into that. But I'm saying कि yeah, to answer your question, there is some talks and my managers are in talks with people for the biopic, and there is, I cannot disclose a lot, but it is going on, yes. Now who will play in it, we will wait and watch. I mean, there's such amazing actors, so कोई भी हो सकता है. I don't want to take any names on.